Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will learn how to install Chrome OS Flex on Virtualbox and VMware both. So the first step is very simple. So you have to simply go to my website techresearch.com and find Chrome OS Flex ISO. So you will simply go to this article, download Chrome OS. Just open this post and simply download this file. For Virtualbox and VMware you can download these files. So since I have already downloaded the file, I am skipping this process. So this is the file that I have downloaded. So now first we will install this Chrome OS on our Virtualbox. So simply open your Virtualbox. Now go to File and click Import Clients. Now you have to select the file that we have just downloaded and simply you can store the location. So I will keep it as a G drive. So this is the file that I have added. Now click next. Now I will select the folder where I will save all these files. So after setting the location you can keep it as default also. So now you can simply click import. So this process will take around 58 seconds as it says. In the meantime you can wait for a while, or I can start with the VMware process also. So in the meantime I will show you how to install Chrome OS on VMware. So simply click on VMware. The installation process is very simple. So you can simply download from the official website of VMware, and you can simply download the trial version of VMware Workstation 16. Now you have to simply open this and click open a virtual machine and select the file that you have downloaded, the same file. Click open. You can name the file Chrome OS by techresearch.com, and I'm keeping the folder as G drive, and click import. So this will start importing the file same as the Virtualbox. Let us see if the Virtualbox file has been imported. Yes, the file has been imported. So now you can simply click the start button, and this will install your Chrome OS Flex and run it on your Virtualbox on a Windows PC. The process remains the same for VMware. We are simply importing the files. The process is same for both Virtualbox and VMware. There are not manipulations to be made, so you can simply just download the file and import both the files on either of your Virtualbox or your VMware. So as you can see, the Cloud Ready is processed, and you can simply now proceed with the installation. Now same is the case with the VMware. So as you can see, the files have been imported. So now you can simply click the power on button. So this is the interface of Chrome OS Flex. Now you can simply proceed with the installation, or you can simply so the process is simple. I hope you have liked the video. So do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.